You totally could have dodged that.
The characters just like look clean.
They look cuter.
Seeing that pan up, I know too many people have made messes of their bedrooms.
That's exactly why I wouldn't
Sorry,
let
what
you
else?
bring it.
Distracted.
Blah 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 blah. We just watched the RWBY Volume character genre, which was Yang in this one, where it's kind of like a flashback of. Wow, I think the whole idea was that Yang was on her motorcycle, just in the middle of like 4 and 5, just contemplating like certain things, and this is just one of them.
People were having a giggle at the fucking British subtitles.
The sound of Bumblebee approaching.
Yeah, Bumblebee scared the shit out of me. She's thinking about Jesus and her sister, so it was pretty cool.
Jesus.
And I think the timeline here is this is like before the events of Volume 1, where Yang was just like, oh, I'm going to vegan right now. So she's pretty much her first year. And just kind of training with RWBY, hand-to-hand combat. And that's kind of unfair when, like, with RWBY, because of the fact that she doesn't fight with bare hands. And she needs that scythe with her life.
She'll be fine. I mean, goddamn.
Is she, though?
Yeah, that's...
I don't think...
Like, how else will you learn unless you get in the battle zone? Somebody like
I
Yang
know.
is a good...
Someone made a point, like, Volume 2, tried to fight Torchwick hand-to-hand, couldn't do it. Tried to escape Mercury hand-to-hand, couldn't do it.
I mean, she didn't learn a damn thing that Yang was trying to teach her. But it's fine. We still like RWBY and her.
Dodge!
Oh, yeah. She has Gohan syndrome. She'll be fine. She'll just take about 2.5 years in the same attack.
Yeah, she just needs the scythe. That's the problem. Joined in.
She like...
She's like 15.
Yeah, we discussed that it's a high school that they go to.
Yeah.
So she's about 14 right now. Looks exactly the same.
Yeah, because, anime. And then you get like, more or less when you think of it,
which would make RWBY like what?
13? 12 even.
I don't know.
Wait, is she a year older than her?
But yeah, in this short, after their little sparring session, a Grimm, I think it's called the Ursa, kind of interrupts the fight.
Teddy Ursa?
I wonder if that might be something. That might be an influence. But the Ursa pops in, and there's a lot more design on this one than like the previous ones, just due to the animation budget being better.
It's an alpha.
It's an alpha. Could you imagine this is
that
like...
would be a good
all those other ones are just like dust, and this one's just like...
Dust in the wind.
Like, I'm alpha in this bitch. I like the series RWBY, but I don't really keep up with it as much as other...
Like how inconsistently they call these things Ursas and just don't call it anything. Also...
Let's think about how
the distance.
Yeah,
right?
that was my first impression when I saw it. I was like, how far were you?
It wouldn't make sense because that thing's huge, and also just the fact that it takes several more heads.
Yeah, man, he's like not a bitch. So I think jeez, we're gonna see about more different types of fucking Grimms.
Yeah.
How many have been shown? I remember that big crow that they fought during their exam.
They're called
that big fucking scorpion.
What are they called? Nevermores?
Nevermore?
Yeah.
Sound like a Paramore song.
Right?
Calm down, Edgar Allan Poe.
Yeah, right? Doesn't that sound very...
Nevermore.
Nevermore.
Let's...
They're like...
As I ponder, we can wear.
Yeah, very morbid.
Well, yeah, Nevermore is the Ursa bears, elephants, scorpions, I guess the gorilla one, the RWBY trailer. For
the fucking Doulahan horse rider.
Doulahan, oh my god.
Oh yeah, the one with Nora.
I don't remember the name of it.
Yeah, the one, what do you like that?
And the guys, the poltergeist one.
Yeah.
The poltergeist?
Yeah, it was the very first episode of Volume 4 where it was like something that takes control like inanimate objects, creates its own like figure. But it's actually just like a little ghost thing, like
oh nice.
Yeah, I don't
and also that
one.
I guess that eyeball Grimm that just hangs around with Salem, just telling her stuff like, "Hey,
what?
You just whispered to me."
Like a clear.
And I think like a water dragon, and that's like about 9 of them. That's all I can count right now. But yeah, that's all the Grimm that I can remember right now. And just like I guess regular bird Grimm, like smaller ones. And I guess the wolf Grimm. So that's like 10 or 11 or so. That's
What's that called?
Nukkalavi?
Oh, that's how you said.
That's so
fucking
cool.
mythology is that from?
I can imagine.
It's Celtic if I remember correctly.
Dude.
If only like Attack on Titan were to expand its horizon and have this.
That's
thing.
fucking dirty. But what is it? Hold on. Imagine if they. I can't think of one. I can't think of like a rock star who has like that fucking high pitched scream. Yeah, stuff like that.
Who did the song for CSI Miami?
Fuck,
Is that AC/DC?
Was it? That's what I was thinking. Like, who the fuck? Fucking, I think. Because the fucking high pitch would make so much sense for them. Oh no. Oh no.
You want to just show us exactly what we're seeing?
Yeah, hold on.
Did it say spoilers? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
See what we just found on the internet.
That's fucking...
Oh, Ren-sama.
Yeah, that's scary. That's so scary.
That just intensified the fear factor.
Oh my god, that's great.
Holy shit. What the fuck?
But yeah, something about the whole fight with RWBY, Yang and the Ursa. It was cool how her usual like ammunition wouldn't work on it, and she had to actually like face this thing head on, take an attack, and then like just hit it like point blank range.
Yeah, man.
But even that wasn't quite enough.
Yeah,
Even with all that flashy like animation that you were talking about.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Yeah.
she had to actually get pissed. What's
She had-
her semblance called again?
Anger
Pissy
management.
Anger management. What did you say?
Anger management.
I'm gonna have a PF.
I fucking love that. Yo, man, that's something. I guess, but that kind of puts it in perspective. Then her power goes up by like what, like fucking 3 times, I guess.
Twice the amount or something like
If
that.
it's twice, then that's a huge jump. Cause like normal brunts that she was doing wasn't doing shit.
Yeah.
So
she
she had to
broke
get
the
pissed.
thing's arm.
Mm-hmm. She had to get pissed in order.
Enough to disintegrate it.
Yeah. Yeah, dog. That's actually pretty cool. Yeah, the thing with
Twice as hard.
Yeah, I think.
But she redirects the damage that she took twice as hard.
Okay, so
Oh.
Aang
Okay, that
actually
makes
does
sense.
receive. Okay.
So let me
From
think.
anything.
Man.
So for every, she gets her power plus n times 2, where n is equal to the damage she received.
Ah.
Yeah.
Algebra.
Yeah. I love me some math.
That's where you need it. For those of you that watch us and you're in middle school trying to think, when am I ever going to use this? Also, this isn't a good middle school channel.
You're gonna get bullied.
The kid on it's like, what? Sub right now. For like 5 years they've been subbed.
They've been subbed since they're in 4th grade.
Thought it was a middle school YouTube channel.
It's all about being a role model. Oh yeah, hold on. What was great? The thing with RWBY is that the crossover game that's going in with Blaze Blue. Have you guys played Blaze Blue?
Nope.
I've
Guilty
Never
Gear?
heard of it.
Never Guilty Gear.
I have heard of it, yeah, and I
Yeah.
think it's super cool to look at, but I've never played it before. They just announced Weiss as the next character.
Yeah, that's not a surprise. Like, yeah.
Yeah.
Why?
Now here's my thing. I'm gonna see if you guys have some input about it. Now,
No, unfortunately, no.
you will.
I
As I'm saying, and like here they're predicting that 7 characters from each franchise is going to be in the game.
Okay.
Now, the only thing I could really guess is to say like you would have to expect like characters that you've seen fight enough, and based off the outfits, like you notice that they're only in their earlier version outfits.
Yeah.
So like from that point, what are the 3 characters besides those 4? Because they're definite at this point.
Okay,
That are
so
gonna be in there.
what I can see, we got RWBY, we got Weiss, we got Penny, we got Penny, we got Penny, and Penny.
That bitch got murdered.
She got
Doesn't count. He's like,
What did you?
no, like the way he was going, he's like, I was like, he's probably gonna say, bitch, it's Penny. I was like,
I was I'm like,
oh my god.
She's quarters now.
She's oh man. Cause like it would be cool that they're gonna have like
does increase your value.
I thought John actually. I was thinking John, but
Jean,
since he's
Pyrrha,
yeah, see Pyrrha, yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot. If we're gonna have to go off,
Nora.
yeah, Nora. Oh, what is that?
Laura!
Yeah, look.
But, so you said 7, right?
Yeah, there's 7.
Each franchise, so it's probably gonna be all 4 of RWBY.
Well, yeah, that's a given.
And,
And
then we
then
can't really have team. Shoot, I forget their name.
I think Ren might be in it. I feel like
Team
Ren-
Juniper.
Juniper. I feel like Penny will actually be there. Like all jokes aside, and then a villain, probably Cinder,
Yeah, that's
or even Raven
See, I know every series
or
but that
Crow.
other.
No, let's just have Crow in there.
It's probably gonna be Cinder, Jean, and Pyrrha.
Maybe James. With his gun.
See, I don't know. The only series I don't know is Under Night crossover.
Now hang on just a minute.
I call it Under Night crossover. I mean Under Night. I don't know what that is. Look, Ruby. Oh, you know, I never even seen how she looks in the game. It looks cool.
Yeah,
She looks like she does at the end of the videos.
Anyway, yeah.
Oh yeah, there's your voice confirmation one.
Fuck. Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty sure they kind of look a bit like this.
Mm-hmm. So we'll definitely have all 4. No, they should probably add Kuro. I'm just saying. They'd probably Penny, and then they're free to do whatever. Probably add a villain.
Gee, man.
Neil would be interesting.
Who?
Neil would be the best one for me because she doesn't make any noise at all. Wouldn't annoy me one bit.
Yeah, I'll be fine. Hearing Ruby putting work, that'll be okay.
Yeah.
Ow! Shit! Huh? Yeah, right?
Oh my god! Like, you gotta see the gameplay of like Ruby versus Ruby.
Oh my god!
Oh no!
I said, oh yeah, like
oh no!
I wanted to know somebody getting knuckles type shit.
All right, but as far as the actual like game short, I think that's pretty much it. I think that's the last thing for all the character shorts. They're not gonna show Ruby because she already got hers in Volume.
Yeah, it's called being in the first episode.
Yeah.
And then who's that one person? That thing, Weiss. When she dies, she gonna yell winter.
I bet.
Oh my god, KO, winter, and we're like, ugh.
I wouldn't even put it past it. That should be funny.
Sneak.
I can't believe you beat Sneak.
That's all we were doing at the RWBY premiere.
Oh,
Oh, that's so great.
We just kept making fucking Schnee jokes.
Never catch Sneak.
They gotta have it. Like, they're gonna say her name in the intro
It's just
too.
you, Schnee, and Dupree.
Oh no. Oh no. That's dad level jokes of Schnee. Holy shit. Oh, the
Speaking, let's end this.
Okay, yeah, we're good here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay subscribed for more RWBY content we're covering. We're doing Volume 1. We already did like a little talk on that, so that should be coming out probably before
Tomorrow.
This. No, because it's not out for public yet.
Yesterday?
Because first members, we got that. So
Yeah,
we all have it, but the public doesn't have it. So we're waiting until the following Saturday.
VRV.
So,
Priority.
So the 21st.
when are you releasing this?
Maybe sooner. It depends. Like
So tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. It's like
You can't think in the now. You gotta think in the then, man.
then, or is in like later. Like,
Then.
the then for the okay. See,
Maybe afterward.
It's our then, there, now. So
same-
tomorrow.
Subscribe for RWBY content. Support our
like
Patreon.
travel.
We're good. All right.
I'm gonna keep doing it.
Stop it. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next one. # bye everyone. Oh, you didn't do it for the other one. It feels like it felt neglected for a second.
RWBY will change your favorite anime. Oh my god.